What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays. My name is Tina Daly, and we're back again with another one of these awesome experimental videos. So for this week's design, what I'm thinking of doing is to turn the Apple logo into like an orange juice in a jar type of design. So we're still in the summer theme, so you know, when the time is hot, you gotta get those fruit juices going. So let's get right into the video, guys. Promise you, it's gonna be a good one.
All right, so we're in Illustrator. Let's get right into this. And to start things off, what I'm gonna do is to convert the Apple logo into a gradient at first. So I want that light gray silver gradient to have the look of a glass. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do at first. And let me see, around there looks good. It's really light though, because you know I have a white background working with, but no worries, it will all work out in the end. The next thing I'm gonna quickly do, seeing that this is the reality I'm facing now, is just to add an inner glow, which I'm sure you have seen me done multiple times at this point. And just gonna increase the blur right there. So around 45 should look good. And then let me just decrease the opacity here to around 25, 15. Let's as low as possible. All right. All right. So the next thing I want to do is gonna make a copy of this, and let me just decrease the size here a little bit. And I'm gonna make a cut into the design, and because this shape will be the juice portion of the Apple logo. So I'm gonna convert that, change that fill there to a stroke, and then I'm just gonna take off the stroke. Have that selected, have the shape selected, then hit Shift M to, you know, grab the shape builder tool to make my adjustments there. Next thing I want to do, I'm just going to resize this a little bit. Sorry, not resize, readjust this a little bit so that it matches the contours of the container part of the Apple logo. So I hope I can get this to look exactly how I want with the limited time I'm working with here, guys. And I'll quickly use that summer funny enough, summer gradient. All right, let me quickly change the color now to more yellow. Orange juice tend to have the yellow orange look. And let me see if that inner glow is still on, because I don't want it as yet. Well, let me just undo that. I'm gonna turn it off for now. All right, so that's the juice in the Apple jar. Let me just adjust the shape just a little bit. I'm having second thoughts about the inner glow on the Apple logo, so let me see if I can just decrease it a little bit, see if my mind will change. It's all right. Can I just round the corners here a little bit? Okay, not bad. All right, right there, around there looks good. Let me see here. Juice, can I just add a little, you know? Just trying to create a unique shape to have the look of a flowing juice in a jar, to make it not look so static. You know what I mean? All right. What color can I change? Should I change this to a yellow? Let's see here. Not sure I'm liking this, guys. Not sure I'm liking this shape here, but we're trying to work with it. All right, let me just work on some other aspects about making this look more realistic, like a jar. So let's see if I can just create like a shadow shape right here. You see, that's why good design takes time, guys. You can't get a good design done in 5 minutes. It takes time and patience, perseverance, all these things for things to look good. And here I am trying to freestyle my life away. But I can always speed this up so that, you know, I don't bore you guys. All right, so what do I have here? I have a gradient on this. Let me just change it. What is it? Multiply. Or screen. Oh, I guess I gotta flip this. Alright, so I'm gonna flip this around, because what I'm trying to do here is just to make this not so harsh. Alright, so about there looks good. I'm just gonna quickly add some bubbles, some juice bubbles into the design. So around there, and then it was same thing, multiply. Let's fit this around. Alright, so to make this blend in a little bit more, you do have to add a little color. You do have to saturate it a little bit so it looks better. Alright, you see it's starting to take shape there. Alright, that's like my ear bubbles right there. And then I'm just trying to work on this as fast as possible, guys. Let me see here. Whew. Getting a little too hot right now. Because to get the best audio, you do got to have the lights off. Sorry, not the lights, the fan off. Oh my god. Alright. And let me just darken. Yes, you gotta make it almost black for you to get that glow. Trying to make this. I think I'm gonna add one more color there. Just to add a bit more dimension. That's too yellow. Let's just add them like that a little bit more. Around 40 looks okay. Let me see here. What else can I do to this? I'm kind of running out of time. At least we do have the glass looking shape, which is good. That's barely showing. But I'm still gonna leave it right there. Let me just add another reflection. Just trying to get this to look a bit more glassy, but I'm running out of time for this design, guys. You get the idea so far. I do trust that you have learned something today in regards to making things look more transparent, more glassy in Illustrator. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. We're still in the journey and I'm still loving this. Take care until then. See you around. Bye.
Okay guys, so I just had to step in here. This is the 10th video of my freestyle series, and I just want to say thank you for all that have been watching. I'm thinking of for the next 10 videos going forward in the future to design the Apple logo in more detail. but that means I'm gonna have to speed this up so that the video will be around 2 to 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do for the next set of freestyle videos. I've been watching the engagement thus far on the long form videos, and I'm gonna have to experiment, because this is what freestyling is all about. I'm gonna experiment to see if the shorter sped up videos that have like a voice over on them will be more beneficial for the channel, and you'll still be able to learn. And hopefully if that works, or if it don't work, long form will be revisited in the future. Whatever the content or whatever the market decides. Yes. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the next Freestyle Mondays. Bye bye.